Whether you're a security officer dealing with an in-store theft, a healthcare worker engaging with an aggressive patient, or a retail worker interacting with a difficult customer, Motorola Solutions body-worn cameras can help keep you safe. For security professionals, the rugged VB400 with advanced communications and up to 12 hours of recording keeps you connected and captures secure evidence while in the field. With 1080p HD video and audio, peer-assisted recording, and Bluetooth triggers to ensure nothing is missed, plus Wi-Fi to stream live to a VMS or alarm receiving center, the VB400 never misses a moment. For commercial business and customer-facing workers, the lightweight, unobtrusive VT100 integrates with fixed video security systems to provide security operators with complete situational awareness and help staff in public-facing roles feel safer. Push-to-stream alerting delivers a live video and audio feed of up to 1.5 hours. The VT100 is simple to operate, has a standby battery life of up to 6 months, a customizable front ID card, and seamlessly integrates with existing CCTV systems. And our RFID touch assign simplifies provisioning, enabling efficient and trackable camera allocation. Innovation, integration, and expertise is built into every body-worn camera, so our customers can stay safer in the moments that matter.